everyone, Angel Leo here. Welcome to another vlog. If you are new here, I am Angel Leo. I am a lifestyle blogger and I also make lifestyle videos. So if you think you are in the right channel, click that subscribe button down there and the bell beside it just so you can get notified whenever I upload videos like this. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 secret apps that I personally use on my Instagram story. So I'm going to be sharing with you each app and what I love about each app and where I usually use the app, and also if you have to pay for the app or it's free for download. Though sa panahon ngayon, medyo konti na lang ang libre, so sana may mga libre. Joke lang guys, may libre naman. If you want to know more about the apps that I personally use and that could help you achieve more creative IG stories, just keep on watching. First app is Design Lab. So guys, if you want to have beautiful designs, actually I think that is why you are here. If you want to have beautiful designs or professional looking graphics, I suggest that you try this app because you can choose 1,000 and more. Yes, I'm not even exaggerating. Thousands of images, graphics, fonts, and customizable templates. And if you choose a template, then it is customizable, meaning you can change the sticker or the frame, parang ganon. So basically, the layout is already there. All you have to do is personalize the layout or the template and make it your own. So that is what I love about this app. Also very easy to use because you can choose templates, graphics, or stickers or images by category. So hindi ka na mahirapan mag-scroll down, you just choose the category and then you can choose from there. What about the price? Actually guys, Design Lab is free to download. You can have access to some unique and very nice features already. But if you want to have access to thousands of images, templates, you will have to upgrade. So if you would upgrade, it will cost you 319 pesos per month or 1,890 per year. Next app is Fonts. Actually, this is what people have been asking me about from my past video, which is the 10 creative ideas for IG stories. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna put the card up here or the link on the description box. This is the app that I installed on my keyboard. That is why I have access to different fonts on my IG stories. Won't limit you to using it only on Instagram. You will be able to use all the fonts across any app, anywhere that you will need your keyboard, you can use the fonts. What you have to do guys is actually just download the app and then open the app and go to your keyboard and allow access, and then voila, it's there. It's on your keyboard in any app, messages, WhatsApp, WeChat, Facebook, Viber, whatever app you're using, you can have access to those fonts. Let's talk about the price. Actually guys, the Fonts app is actually free to download and free to use, but only for 3 days if I'm not mistaken. It's been a long time since I had the app, so I can't really remember how many days I had to fully use the app, and then I needed to upgrade so I can have access to the fonts again. The subscription price is 519 per month. Next app guys is my ultimate favorite app. It is the InShot app. If you follow me on my Instagram, then you would probably have seen my Aura videos. I'm gonna flash it somewhere here. Yeah, those videos. I actually use InShot app. I love about this app is that it is very easy to use, and also for me it's like all-in-one app. Parang I can edit videos and photos in this app. Whenever I edit videos on this app, I can add a lot of video clips and then stitch them together using the amazing, beautiful transitions of this app. And also I can add text, I can adjust the speed of the video so it could fit IG stories, and also I can add music and voiceovers, so it's just all-in-one app, diba? Let's head on to reality kung magkano tong app na to and if you can use it for free. InShot is actually, again, free to download and free to use. Oh, ayan. And you can have access to a lot of the features actually, but there is a watermark. So if you want to remove the watermark and have access to all features, guys, sabi ko naman sa inyo, sa panahon ngayon, konti na lang ang libre. You'll have to pay $14.99 per year. Mura lang naman siya kung per year. I think that's like 700 plus pesos. Second to the last is the app called Jane. You're girly, artsy, and something like that. I think this is a very nice app for you guys. Create very cute IG stories using this app because it has a lot of templates from classic looking to kawaii to medyo vintage. So it has those different templates. Also, you can insert photos or videos on the templates. It doesn't only limit you to photos or videos, you can do either. Also, this Jane app is not limited to beautiful templates. You can actually make wallpapers or logos using this app as well. But guys, you will have to pay $4.99 US if you want to remove the ads, the watermark, and if you want to have access to all templates and all exclusive features. But if you don't want to upgrade naman, you can still use the app and have access to some of their beautiful templates, but the watermark will remain. Last but not the least, hypertext. Text or a caption is as important as editing the light of the photo or making a video, because for me it's a whole content if it has everything including text. Sometimes like to use this app to make my IG stories more professional looking rather than just using Instagram GIFs or GIF. You can customize it from the color and then what kind of font and then the width of the text. You can customize it there based on your content. And guys, it's not just text transitions. This app also has like a text graphic. You can put your own text or you can add quotes or lyrics if you're a random lyric or a random quote. So with this feature, actually, you don't need to go to Google anymore and then search like quotable quotes, mga ganon, yung mga sad quotes, or no guys, let's say happy quotes and positive quotes, yung mga ganon. Hypertext is actually free to download again, and you will be able to use the app as long as you want. Only with limited features again. And also, there's if you want to unlock everything in the app and remove the watermark, you will have to pay 209 pesos per month or 309 pesos per year, or a one-time purchase of 399 pesos. If you did the math, you would go to 399 pesos, which means you don't need to pay again next month or next year or next year. It's one-time purchase. So that's what I did, the 399 pesos. So guys, those are my 5 top secret apps that I personally use on my Instagram stories. I hope that you learned something new from this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also guys, don't forget to comment in the comment section and subscribe on my channel. Thank you guys, and see you in my next one. Bye!